Howdy. For my Picture an Ecologist project, I researched Peter Etnoyer. Peter Etnoyer is a marine ecologist and biologist that specializes in the taxonomy and ecology of deep sea corals. He is 56 years old and lives and works in Charleston, South Carolina. His favorite things to do outside of work are scuba diving, kayaking, swimming, and collecting comic books from all over the world. His educational background includes a Bachelor of Arts degree in English and a Master's of Engineering Management in Coastal Environmental Management, both from Duke University. He also earned a PhD in Coastal and Marine Systems Science from Texas A&M University at Corpus Christi. For his work, he travels all over the world to conduct research and travels to the U.S. for meetings and conferences. Through his research, he has also received 2 awards. These awards include the NOAA David Johnson Award for Outstanding Innovative Use for Earth Observation Satellite Data in 2007 and a research fellowship from Schmidt Ocean Institute in 2009. Etnoyer is the current project lead for the Deep Sea Coral Ecology Laboratory in the Biogeography branch at the NOAA's National Centers for Coastal Ocean Science. Along with his work, he is also an added professor for 2 master degree programs at the College of Charleston. His current research project covers the connectivity of coral ecosystems in the northwestern Gulf of Mexico, which was started in 2019, and it is supposed to run until 2024. The reefs found in the Gulf of Mexico are home to thousands of species and plays a big economic role for the surrounding area in commercial fishing and recreational industries. The main goals of this project are to study the population connectivity for key coral, sponge, and fish species in shallow and tropical reef areas. This research is also aiming to provide information to improve management and the protection of shallow reefs and mesophoic coral ecosystems, inform restoration, and help preserve long-term viability to these ecosystems. Through his work, he has also authored, co-authored, and published over 25 scientific articles. He carries a broader impact within the scientific community from his research and helps teach aspiring marine ecologists. He has also contributed to the implementation of several new marine protected areas, the discovery and description of new marine species, and the exploration of deep sea habitats. When selecting an ecologist to research, I knew that I wanted to focus in on someone who was coastal or marine because of my future career goals. His research goals and background sparked my interest. He was a competitive swimmer when he was younger, which was something that I connected to because I have swam competitively my whole life. Swimmers have an instant connection to any body of water, and that has been a big inspiration for my future with wanting to work on a coastal or marine environment. Another big factor that played a part in me researching Etnoyer is the broader impacts that he has contributed to the scientific community. Along with his countless research programs and projects, I admire his work in helping create new protected marine areas and his daringness for exploration projects. His work continues to make an effort towards balancing human activity and the activity of the marine ecosystems around the world. Here are my sites for this project. Thanks, Anne Gigum.